This was upgraded to 10,000 and then 15,000, and today our capacity as a corporation is 20,000 megawatts per year. We can supply equipment from various divisions of BHL, various factories of BHL, leading to construction of power stations amounting to around 20,000 megawatts annually. Today, we have recently concluded around 900 crores of investment to enhance this capacity to 20,000 megawatt level, and we feel we should be okay for the next 1 or 2 years, and depending upon the market and depending upon the demand, should there be a need to enhance this further, we will definitely do it. Presently, we have not envisaged in the next year except for some small gaps here and there for which we will be investing. No, it is not pricing margins. Actually, we have taken some initiatives in the last 1 year which has probably provided us the benefit. One was we have reduced our material cost by around 2%. We can see our material cost budgeted was around 62%. We have been able to contain it by 60%, and that 2% has directly added to our profit. We have also had some strategies of buying, like bulk buying. We have also introduced reverse auctions with our suppliers and vendors, enhancing the vendor base. We have also done a lot of design optimization and value addition, which probably has reduced the material cost, and therefore our profits have improved. Now, there have been delays on projects because of construction delays mostly, rather than supply delays. If you see, there has been an all-round boom in infrastructure industry in India for the last 3, 4 years. This has put a lot of pressures on contracting, on labor available in the field. The delay in construction and contracting has been much more than delay in supplies. Since our equipment goes to a site and they're not able to erect it, the project gets delayed. Particularly in some parts of the country, these delays have been more compared to other parts. As far as green power initiative is concerned, I was trying to explain that there is a national mission announced by the government of India. It's called Jawaharlal Nehru Green Solar Power Mission, in which the government is allowing anybody who is in the power business to install solar power, and then it can generate that solar power and sell to government. And we from BHL Hyderabad, we are not in the business of power generation, but we are in the business of constructing such plants. So seeing the importance of this segment in this country, and the government of India has resolved to enhance this solar power generation in this country as part of using renewable energy, we have joined hands with a company from Spain called Abengoa, which has the technology to provide solar collection equipment, the mirrors and the tracking equipment, etc. And using these mirrors and tracking equipment, they generate steam. That steam is given to us, and we make the power block. So together we make the entire solar power plant. And we have been quoting for this, and we hope we will be getting orders shortly.